If you're looking for an easy, low-calorie dessert, I've got you covered with this one. So our strawberry patch has been giving so many strawberries this season. So we have been making these strawberry shortcake bowls all summer long. So all you need is some fresh strawberries. They're in season right now, which makes this dessert even more delicious because the strawberries are sweet and juicy. And just 1 cup of strawberries has about 48 calories, which makes this a perfect low calorie food to snack on. Then I shave some non dairy chocolate. And then I love using this almond milk whipped cream by Ready Whip. You can have 4 tablespoons for just 20 calories. So, I'm putting all 4 tablespoons on there, a little bit of the shaved chocolate for 10 more calories. And there you go. You have a strawberry shortcake bowl, and it has just 80 calories, which makes this the perfect dessert, especially if you are on your weight loss journey. And it's just a really delicious way to enjoy all of the season's fresh berries. This is great with blueberries, raspberries as well.